Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through Givebutter, which is a popular all-in-one fundraising platform for non-profits, creators, and teams. We will explore its features, how to use the dashboard step by step, and I will share my honest thoughts on whether it is worth using for your fundraising campaigns. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important tips. Now, if you don't have Givebutter account yet, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards and discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So when you click on the link that is given in the description, it is going to redirect you here on the official website of givebutter.com. Over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply create and set up your free account. So when you click on the option of sign up for free, you need to continue with the help of your Gmail account. Then you will access your Givebutter dashboard that will look something like this. So here on the dashboard of Givebutter, you will see this type of section in front of you. So this is basically a quick setup checklist that guides you through verifying your email address and then creating your first campaign and connecting your payment method. After that, raising your first dollar. It is basically designed to get you started with the platform quickly, even if you have never run an online fundraiser before. At the top, as you can see over here, we have the option or the reminder to link a payment method to publish your campaign and receive your donations. This is very crucial and very important because without that, you won't be able to publish your campaigns or receive your donations. So, this is a great safety feature, I would say, to make sure that no funds get stuck. Now here in the left hand section, we have campaigns. So campaign tab is very important because this is where most of the actions are going to be happening. So here you can click on the option of new campaign in order to set up a new campaign. After that, you can select whether it is a donation form or a fundraising page or you want to create an event. So let's say you want to create a donation form. So you need to click on it. After that, you need to provide your campaign a name. Then click on the option of let's go. Over here, it is going to be taking some time in order to create the campaign for you. And the inside will look something like this. Over here, the first thing will be the title of your campaign. So you can anytime change it and keep it as it is. Then you can provide the goal here, like you can enter the amount. After that, select the theme color if you want. If not, you can click on the option of save. After that, if you have any cover photo relating to your campaign, you can provide that here. If you want to write any description, you can do it here. Then we have the sharing option. Givebutter provides you various types of sharing options of your campaign. So we have the general tab where you can basically get the link of your campaign and you can share it with the persons to whom you are expecting to get the donations. After that, we have this QR code. You can print this QR code and then you can share it. Then we have the option of tools. So when you click on the option of tools, you can add or subtract various things, like with the help of your campaign. If you want to accept the payment, make sure that you turn on this toggle button right next to it. If your campaign requires the phone numbers of the users or the persons, you can just simply turn this toggle button on too. Same for the billing address and same for the allow supporters to select to pay via check. So you can again turn on and off any options that is given over here based on your own requirements. You can take a look at the donation settings, whether you want to make it recurring or one time. So you can select that too. Then we have some of the settings option. So if you click on the option of settings, you can just basically take a look at the settings and adjust it according to your own campaign. It includes the campaign type, selecting the time zone, and adding the donation button text. So Givebutter gives you a drag and drop style editor to design your campaign page completely. This is the campaign for donation, but for other campaigns you are going to see all of the design templates too. You will be able to add images, videos, goal trackers, and event integrate with the tools like Zoom and live streaming. The next option that we have in the list is transactions. So once you click on the option of transactions tab, every donation, every ticket purchase or payment that you receive will be tracked here. So you can filter it out with the help of the campaigns, dates, and the payment methods. You can also set up the new transaction. If you have the data about the transaction, you can import it. You can also export the transaction data from here in your device too. This makes it very easy for you to export your data for the reposts and accounting. So this transparency is one of Givebutter's strengths, I would say. The non-profits love being able to track every dollar and generate the receipts automatically. Then we have the option of contacts. So the contact section works like a lightweight CRM. Each supporter gets their own profile here, showing how much they have donated, which campaigns they are supported, and even how often they have engaged with your content. So here, as you can see, we have the list of individuals, then we have companies, and then data hygiene duplicates. You can also click on the option of new contacts and provides further details about your contact, like their name, their date of birth, gender, employer status, title, email, etc. So you can segment the supporter into groups, for example, recurring donors, event attendees, or major givers. So this help you personalize follow-ups and build stronger donation relationships. Then we have the Engage tab. So Engage tab, I would say, is a powerful communication hub. Here you can send personalized messages via email and even text right from the platform. This is a huge time saver as compared to juggling multiple tools. You can thank the donors instantly. You can send them the campaign updates or share fundraising milestones without leaving Givebutter. So I really liked it. Then we have the payouts section. So as the name suggests, payout tab is where you connect your bank account to receive your funds. Here you can click on the option of connect and provide your bank related details. Givebutter allows you both one-time and recurring payments depending on how you prefer to manage your donations. As you can see, we have this section, all of the amount that you have, how much you have withdrawn, the payout history, etc. Is also worth noting that Givebutter is completely free to use. Instead of charging the non-profits directly, they rely on optional donor tips to cover the platform's cost. So this is a big win for small organization with tight budgets. Next, we have the option of settings. So settings is where you can manage your team's permissions. You can customize the branding, and you can basically set up the integrations with the apps like Zapier or MailChimp. Then with the help of these sections like workflows, you will be able to automate some of your repetitive tasks. For example, sending the thank you messages or tagging your donors automatically when they reach a certain amount. For that, you need to sign up for the free trial. This is their paid option. Then if you click on the option of customer report, this is going to give you a deeper look at the campaign's performance. You will be able to track the trends, donor retention, and identify which campaigns bring in the most support. So the question here is it actually worth using? So in my opinion, if you are a non-profit, a student group, or even an individual creator who is looking to raise money, Givebutter gives you a modern, user-friendly platform with CRM features, campaign customization, and zero upfront cost. The donor tipping model makes it accessible to everyone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.